Everyone, and welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talks Penny Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today, the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we're going to be discussing AVYA, INDO, HUSA, BOXS, EVTN, FAZE, SAVA, GGII, CVSI, SEII, and SXTC. But before we get into that, we have a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinions meant for informational and educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at insiderfinancial.com/disclaimer. With that out of the way, let's dive in here, folks. First up, we had an alert on a penny stock that insiders are buying. Was up double digits before closing up in the single digits. We really still like this one. I think it's going to present plenty of trading opportunities for our subscribers. Make sure you click that link in the description. We will be doing a follow-up on the penny stock that insiders are buying. So click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com. Sign up with your email and your mobile number. But the big winner this week for InsiderFinancial.com subscribers is AVYA. Been talking about it on the channel all week. We've been loading since 90 cents, hit $1.65 today. Just a beautiful chart here and just got that rounding bottom, and the volume has been increasing. So guys, need volume for these price moves. Volume is a major indicator, and it's one thing that we definitely watch here at InsiderFinancial.com. For those of you that trade OTC, you know if you don't get the volume coming in, it's really hard to get those big gains. So volume is what creates all the action. AVYA bidding 146, 148 in the after hours. We're expecting it's coming into the Friday, expecting some profit taking. So great trade here. Congrats if you banked in AVYA. Next up, guys, is INDO and HUSA. These are two oil and gas plays I talked about this week. Profit taking today, and it's all based on the oil price. I said that INDO, HUSA are proxies on oil, opportunities to trade oil, and you have to watch the oil price. We opened at 90, just under 96, and we sold off to 92 today. So that is why INDO, HUSA ended down today. INDO is the bigger mover than HUSA. Again, down 25%, and again, you have to be watching that oil price. We get back over 100, and these two are going to really be rocking. Next up is two we talked about in yesterday's video as well. BOXS closed up 33%. EVTN closed up just under 20%. BOXS is a lithium play. We're going to be coming out with a full report on BOXS, so click that link in the description to get that full report. You can sign up also on any of the pop-ups on InsiderFinancial.com. EVTN, big run in the past 2 days. This is a reverse merger play, which is 3.2 million shares in the float. Congrats if you banked in EVTN. 2 big days in EVTN. Next up is FAZE. Really nice chart here. I've been talking about this one a lot on the channel. This is a major short squeeze play. 40% of the float is short, and there's just a float of 3.4 million shares. So again, just 1 million shares traded today. You know, we get volume if everyone comes together to squeeze this one. This one is just going to go absolutely moon. So if you're connected with anyone over the moderators over at Wall Street Bets on Reddit, guys, you need to start paying attention to FAZE. This one here is a prime short squeeze play, FAZE. Next up, guys, is a one I've been talking about, SAVA. More insider buying coming into CVSI Sciences. We got 32% of the float is short, and the insiders are buying. So again, this is a perfect recipe for a major move. Sanford Robertson, a director, I mean, he bought 100,000 shares earlier this month at $2 million. He's sitting on just over 1 million shares. We also had another director, Richard Barry, buying, chief clinical development officer buying, and the CFO buying. So again, you know, you're seeing more than one insider buying, and that's signifying to me higher prices. We've got this trend line resistance here right at 30. We are bidding in the after hours over 30 as these new filings are hitting the tape. So I'm looking for some fireworks tomorrow in SAVA. Next up, you know, I saw this move yesterday in GGII. I was going to talk about it on the channel. I was going to send out an alert on it. But, you know, GGII has just been so beaten down. It's a hated name. It's a bloated share structure. And I can't bring myself to talk about it. And unfortunately, here we are up 178%. I mean, guys, this is on me. I completely missed this one. It was on my radar screen. I saw it. And I couldn't bring myself to do it. That next week we got the Hempico IPO on the NASDAQ happening on August 30th. The symbol's going to be HPCO, and that's what's getting everything, the market excited. So again, this is on me, my bad. I'm kicking myself over GGII. Sorry about that, guys. Next up is CVSI. Big news out today, really major news. They extinguished all their outstanding convertible debt. I mean, this is, you know, anyone that trades OTC knows this is just huge news. As the CEO said, we have retired all of our outstanding convertible debt, which strengthens our balance sheet and helps us with our long-term strategic initiatives. The termination of all convertible debt and related obligations to issue stock to our lender will eliminate the dilutive impact of this debt on our stockholders. In addition, the termination of our convertible debt will eliminate the downward pressure on our stock caused by sale of the shares issued at each conversion event. Our focus is to support our business goals that build shareholder value, and in this regard, we believe eliminating the negative impact of this financing is just as important as continuing to grow our Plus CBD branded products business. Huge news, fantastic. Kudos to management on this major move. Closed up 100%. This is been an overhang on the stock. Look for more upside in CVSI, and the best part is it just has a $4.4 million market cap. We can really see this one get going a lot higher. Remember, last year this one was at 32 cents. So CVSI, get this on your radar screen, guys. Next up, guys, is SEII. I just want you to put it on your radar screen. There's no news, nothing happening. But if you look at this level, I mean, this stock has spiked 3 times from this level, the 2 cent level. So just get it on your radar screen. You know, this is not financial advice, but, you know, this one has a history of spikes. You know, there's no news. But, you know, just like GGII, I didn't talk about it. I'm like, I got to talk about, you know, in case it happens. So just put it on your radar screen. Not saying it is going to happen, but, you know, it just to me seems like something's getting ready to happen. So put SEII on your radar screen, guys. And again, this is just a $7 million market cap. So again, low float, low market cap, easy to spike this. So we'll be watching SEII here at insiderfinancial.com for our subscribers. And if we see that spike coming, we will send out an alert. So definitely make sure you click that link in the description so that you don't miss any of these runners. Lastly, guys, is SXTC. Closed at $1.74, bidding $2.05 in the after hours. No news. This one needs volume. The China plays today got hot as it looks like China and the U.S. came to an agreement which will allow U.S. auditors to go to Hong Kong to inspect Chinese books. That's why we saw Alibaba and all the Chinese names running today. So we're expecting a lot of these Chinese penny stocks to start spiking, but it needs volume. So we will be watching XXTC at the open. If there is no volume, it's going to come back down. So again, volume is the key here, and this is what we're watching here at insiderfinancial.com. With that being said, we got a lot of things on our plate here, a lot of things we're watching here at insiderfinancial.com. Click that link in the description. This way you don't miss any of our updates. We do a lot of homework here for you guys. And remember, we are a completely free service. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever, but we are not financial advisors. Always do your own due diligence. With that being said, I want to wish everyone have a great Friday. Let's crush the shorts. Let's finish the week strong. And I'll be coming live to you over the weekend with a weekly recap. And again, just let's have a big Friday to finish out the week strong. Thanks, everyone. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.